Today's dinner is going to be lasagna, guys. Lasagna. Look at this picture right here. There's a recipe in this box, but I'm kinda, this one does not have vegetables, so I'm going to have a vegetable. So that's my lasagna. Okay, so come along and join me for cooking. I have 1 large garlic. So and 6 cloves of garlic. But I'm gonna use all this parsley. 1/3 cup. And I also have spinach. So I'm gonna use half and half. The meat, ground beef, 1 pound, and this is also over a little pound, 1 pound. So it's a pork ground. So 2 different kinds, two kinds of meat. So the water is boiling. Now I'm gonna add some salt. One teaspoon of salt. It should be enough. Now I'm adding the lasagna noodles. Okay. Let me check the pasta if it's cooked. Yeah, it's al dente, so I'm going to pick it out now. Right, so we're done. So now I'm gonna cook my spinach here. I'm just gonna blanch the spinach quick so it get wilted. And then I'm gonna squish the water. So basically that's it. Comes very quick. See, it looks like a lot from the start, and then now it's just a little bit, it shrink. Really shrink. See, I only have 1 cup there over. So let's cook the meat, guys. So I'm going to add the garlic now. Also the onions. So let it cook the meat. And then while the meat is cooking, I'm already putting the onions. Put the onions and the herbs, so that way it will get flavor before it, along the way. Diba? Magkakaroon siya ng flavor agad para masarap siya. Yung lasa ng meat, masarap siya pagka na ano na siya ng onions. Alam mo na, yeah, the onions is good or flavoring. Yes, and garlic. So we cook the meat, and I also set aside the noodles because the noodles we're not done with our meat. We're waiting for our meat, so I boil the noodle first, the lasagna, but I soak with a little bit. I put some little moisture water. And okay, so I'm just gonna chop this beautiful herbs from my garden. Really, chop, 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 chop. Well, if you like fat, you don't have to drain that, right?
Yeah, you have to drain it or you're going to have a greasy sauce.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Luckily, it's in the. So 2 cans of tomato chunk. And 1 tomato paste. You can get it out and thing. Beautiful tomato. Just let it cook. Cover it. Let's check it out and taste. So, put half teaspoon or more if you want more salt. And pepper. More pepper. It's good for you. Oh my god. You can't see it, so just dump it. Taste this. Bread, hun.
Breathing, honey.
Yum yum. Smells so good. Then lay some first layers of noodles. What's the name of this noodles?
Lasagna.
Lasagna noodles. My husband. Yum, yum, yum. Since we only cook this one for. Ooh, we have enough mozzarella cheese. Honey, that's the big slice in there. Parmesan Reggiano cheese. That's a good cheese.
Spinach.
Spinach. Sprinkle the spinach. I cut the spinach. I chopped the spinach for bite. Hey. Let's bake it. Melt enough to melt the cheese, and then we're gonna eat.
Ready?
See you a little bit. Scoop it.
Can't. You have to let it cool. It's too hot.
Look at the bottom. It's sizzling. That. Ooh. Oops. What happened? Oops. This is mine.
It is.
I like to be in the middle. Perfecto, look at that. Let's eat. It's enough for plenty for everybody. Let's eat. Hope you like our video today, and hope you subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And don't forget to click the bell icon so that you need notified if we have a new video coming. Thank you guys. Bye. Have a blessed day.